Hello dear students, today I am going to take 2 or 3 problems regarding RE model. So, let us take this problem. This is second PUC electronics. Problem number 2, I think the second problem, that is CE amplifier circuit for the CE amplifier circuit for the CE amplifier circuit using germanium transistor using germanium transistor given below. Find first one, voltage across 10 ohm, 10 kilo ohm. First one, voltage across 10 kilo ohm. Second one, IE. Third one, RE dash. Fourth one, Z in base. Fifth one, Z dot. Sixth one, okay, given VBE equal to 0.32 volt and beta equal to 100. And the circuit is also given. VCC 15 volt, .2 kilo ohm, 2.2 kilo ohm, 100 kilo ohm, 10 kilo ohm, 100K, this is 10K, 1K. C1, C2, 10 millivolt. CE. No load resistance is given. V0. Okay. Now the question starts from voltage across 10 kilo ohm. What is the calculation of voltage across 10 kilo? That is nothing but the V2 formula. V2 equal to VCC into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. That formula comes in voltage divided by S. So solution starts from first question, and you can collect the given values here, R1, R2, RC, RE, like that. That step I won't write it here as the sake of the time limit. So, voltage across 10 kilo ohm, first one 10 kilo ohm is V2 equal to VCC, first write the formula, VCC to R2 divided by R1 plus R2. See, in all these type of problems, the formula writing is very much important, otherwise you won't follow the steps, or sometimes you can't follow the answer. So, that is very important. 15 into R2 10 kilo 10k, you can write 10k divided by R1 plus R2 100k plus 10k. This is 150 divided by 110, 150 divided by 110. Now, kilo cancels, this answer is 1.36 volt, 1.36 volt voltage across. Second calculation, second one, what is the second calculation? That is IE equal to V2 minus VBE divided by RE. V2 is 1.36 volt minus VBE is 0.32 divided by RE. RE is, what is the value of RE? RE comes here 1k, 1 into 10 to the power minus 3 plus 3. So, the answer is 1.36 minus 0.32 divided by 1k means 1.04 milliampere, 1.04 milliampere, that is IE dash. Third calculation, RE dash equal to this is germanium transistor, it is clearly given 52 millivolt divided by IE. So, the formula, just note down the difference. For germanium transistor, it is 52 millivolt divided by IE, VT divided by IE, and 26 millivolt for silicon transistor. 52 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by IE. IE is 1.04 milli. So, both 10 to the power minus 3 cancels. 52 divided by 1.04 equal to 50 ohm. RE dash is 50 ohms. So, RE dash is 50 ohm, and the fourth calculation is Z in base. Z in base is beta into RE dash. Beta is given 100 into 50 equal to 5 kilo ohm, 5000 ohm. Z in base. See, there are two resistances comes in input side of the RE model. So, first one is Z in base. It is the resistance looking back into the base terminal, input terminals. So, only that resistor is comes into picture. That is the resistance at the base terminal. Forward bias emitter basic. That is 5 kilo ohm. Okay. Next, fifth one, Z naught equal to RC. Z naught equal to RC. So, that is equal to 2.2 kilo. And I want to add two more problems here, that is to calculate with Z in. Not, it is not Z in or Zi, oh sorry, I can mention it like this, like Zi. What is Zi? Zi is input impedance, Z naught is output impedance. Zi equal to R1 parallel, R2 parallel, Z in base. Z in base. See, from 5 onwards, in question it is not mentioned, but I voluntarily taking that calculations because in future problems these questions are very common, and there are some decibel calculations also. You can calculate decibel gain, decibel voltage gain, decibel current gain in decibel, and power gain in decibel. Okay. So, that how to calculate here. So, how do you calculate R1 parallel R2 parallel Z in base? All values are given here. One is 100 K. So, it is 1 by 100 K plus 1 by 10 K plus 1 by 5 K. Say calculate the values of 1 by 100 K. 1 by 100 K. See that value comes here. 1 divided by 100 K. 100 K, 100 K plus 1 divided by 10 K plus 1 divided by 5 K. 1 divided by 5 K. Okay. So, its answer is about 3.2 kilo. Zi is 3.2 kilo. It is slightly less than Z in base. Next, the sixth calculation I can include here is the calculation of voltage gain. What is AV? AV equal to minus RC by RE dash, minus RC by RE dash minus 2.2 K. 2.2 K divided by RE dash. This is RE dash. RE dash is here. It is here 50 ohm divided by 50. So, negative sign indicates the inversion, and 2.2 divided by 50 into 1000 equal to 44. Gain is 44. See, now using this you can calculate. See, voltage gain is minus 44. Actually, negative sign is very important here. Otherwise, you can't indicate the phase inversion here. Now, how this voltage gain is helpful to calculate V naught? See, in question it is not given. But these are all calculations I can include in my problem. If I want to give one problem to the students, I can include these things to be calculated. Okay. Next question I can add V naught. V naught is equal to A into AV into VI. Since VI is given here, it is 10 millivolt. So, this question is very much meaningful here. AV is given, so that is minus 44, but you need not calculate, you need not consider the sign here, just multiply the voltage gain with the input voltage, that is 10 millivolt, 10 into 10 to the power minus 3. So, what is its output voltage? 44, 440 into, okay, I do not want any, 440 into 10 to the power minus 3, that is 0.44 volt. 0.44 volt, the answer is. Okay. Okay. Next calculation I can include here. Which calculation I can include here? Say V naught is over. Next, you can write the current gain here. Next, voltage gain in decibel, current gain in decibel, and power gain. Okay, what is its voltage current gain? See, Next calculation I can add here, 7th one, 8th one, current gain. Current gain AI equal to beta equal to 100. Current gain calculation ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬೀಟಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಬರೆಯೋದು. ಬೀಟಾ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಗೇನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 7th, 6th, 8th one, 9th one. Okay, 9th one. What is 9th one? 9th calculation I can add here, power gain AP. Power gain AP equal to AV into AI. That's all. AV is 44 and AI is 100. So that is 4400. No unit power gain. Next, these gains can be expressed in decibels. So voltage gain in decibel, that is the notation for voltage gain in decibel is GV, voltage gain in dB. GV is the notation for voltage gain in decibel. Okay, that is 20 log AV, 20 log of AV, 20 into log 44, 20 into log 44. Take the log table. See here, I am using such a scientific calculator, but for time being I am using scientific calculator here. So 20 into log 44, log 44. So that is 32.87, 32.87 dB. Okay, log 44, it is 1 point something into 20, maybe 32.86. See, while taking decibel scale, while looking at the logarithm scale, you have to take the comma logarithm. You can't use that is not a natural logarithm, log e, log base 10 you have to use. Next thing is 10th one, 11th one, voltage current gain in decibel. Current gain in decibel in dB is GI is 20 log AI. What is 20 log AI? 20 log 100, 20 into 2, that is 40 dB, 40 decibel. 12th one, power gain in decibel. Power gain in decibel. What is power gain in decibel? That is GP equal to 10 log AP. What is 10 log AP? 10 into log of power gain 4400. Finally it comes into 4 into 4.4 into 1000, 3 plus I think. See, 10 log of 4400 equal to 36.43. It is 36.43 dB. Actually it is 10 into log 4400 means there are 4 digits, therefore 3 is the characteristics. 3 point in 44 you have to look for the 0th mean value. Okay, so that comes around 3 point something. Yes, so 3 into 30 equal to 36.43 dB. Okay, so I can calculate 12 different terms using this single circuit, C amplifier circuit. Okay, so that much of importance is given here. Yes, correct. Okay, yes, go to next problem. Next problem. In an amplifier, in an amplifier, the maximum voltage gain is maximum voltage gain is 2000. Voltage gain is 2000 when for signal frequency of 2 kilohertz. For signal frequency of 2 kilohertz. It falls to 1414 to 1414 at 10 kilohertz. At 10 kilohertz and 50 hertz and 50 hertz. Find the bandwidth. Find bandwidth. Find bandwidth. Lower and upper cutoff frequencies. Lower and upper cutoff frequencies. Upper cutoff frequencies. Solution. See, this problem comes from frequency response curve. Frequency response curve of the amplifier. So, just look at the values given here. In an amplifier, the maximum voltage gain is 2000. Can I draw the frequency response graph here? Yes, this is frequency response graph. Okay. Maximum gain is 2000. This is AV maximum 2000 for a signal frequency of 2 kilohertz. Okay. And no need of that signal frequency here. Yes, it is meaningful value, but for our problem it is not an important value. It falls to 1414 at 10 kilohertz. See, this is 2000. What is 1414? Whether it would be maximum gain divided by root 2. Just calculate it. See, 1414 is equal to 2000 divided by root 2. Is it possible? Let us check here. Yes, it is 0.707 into 2000 into 2000. It is around 1414. Okay. Yes, 1414. This relation holds good. Therefore, this is AV by root 2. So, this line is AV by root 2, and at two frequencies. See, which one you have to write first, 10 kilohertz or 50 hertz. See, at lower side 50 hertz, the upper side you have to write 10 kilohertz. Find the bandwidth. That is the question. Find the bandwidth. Okay. So, the first one is bandwidth equal to, what is the bandwidth? FH minus FL, okay, and cutoff frequencies. So, before going to bandwidth calculation, here FL equal to 50 hertz, that is from figure, okay, because this is 1 by root 2 of the maximum value. Therefore, this is half power frequency, FL equal to 50 hertz and FH equal to 10 kilohertz. Therefore, bandwidth equal to FH minus FL, 10 kilo minus 50. 10,000 minus 50, that is 9,950 hertz. This is the bandwidth, 9,950 hertz or 9.95 kilohertz. Bandwidth is 9.95 kilohertz. Okay, and okay, only this much calculation is needed. Next, there are another problem here. See, this is very interesting. The voltage gain of two-stage amplifier is 70 dB. If the input voltage is 5 microvolt, find the output voltage. How do you calculate it? See, second one. This problem is over. The third problem. Voltage gain of two-stage amplifier 70 dB. Voltage gain in decibel is given 70 dB. Okay, input voltage Vi is given. Vi is 5 microvolt. 5 microvolt. And what is V0? How do we calculate it? See, GV is given. GV equal to 20 log of AV. 20 log of AV. Now, log AV equal to 70 divided by 20 equal to 3.5. What is AV? AV equal to 10 to the power 3.5 voltage gain, 10 to the power of 3.5, or you have to take anti-log of 3.5, 10 to the power of 3.5 equal to 3162. 3162.28. Now, V0 equal to AV into VI. 3162.28 into VI. VI is 5 micro. 5 microvolt into 5 micro. 5 into 10 to the power of equal to, okay, 5 micro. 3162.28 into 5 equal to divided by 10 to the power minus 6. Divided by 10 to the power 6, sorry, 3.162.28 into 5, okay, it is 0.15 volt, yes, 0.15 volt. Okay, these are the simple problems, right? Thank you very much. So, I conclude the problem section of this chapter. And please follow. This is very important problem in this section, and one problem maybe arise in your final examination. Okay, they may ask. So, thank you very much.